Welcome to Cooking Couture Atlanta, where cooking is sexy. I'm your host, unapologetically Ardra, super sassy Sinette. Let's make it happen. Okay, so I rinsed the salmon off. I took it out of here. I rinsed it off really good in the plastic. I put some olive oil. I put this olive oil on it, and then I put a little bit of this seasoning salt, this seafood seasoning, and then a little black pepper, and then I kind of went in with the rosemary garlic because it's fresh ground and it's not coming out the way I want. So then I put some minced garlic, and then put these sun-dried tomatoes on top. I'm gonna squeeze a little lemon, put a little parsley. I did put a little salt, and then put the vegetables all around it, and I'm gonna bake it. Okay, I changed the lever from fine to coarse, because I wanted to see it come out more. So I got me some fresh ground. Okay, so that was my rosemary garlic, and then I'm putting some fresh rosemary on here. So I guess I'm free to call this rosemary salmon and vegetable bake. And so then the vegetables, I'm going to take 4 different kinds of peppers, onions, squash, and zucchini. I'm going to toss it in that, and then I'm going to put it in here with this as well. It really came out so beautifully. I had to do it for an event, and I don't know what happened to the pictures, but these are the pictures that came from when I plated it. The zucchini and vegetables were amazing. Tossing the vegetables, the peppers, and the onions in that Italian seasoning before baking was a great idea. Thank you. Now, let's make it happen.